The Ebola outbreak in West Africa has the entire world on its hunches. Deadly and effective, this disease attacks the immune system of the victim and shuts it down completely, leaving the victim with virtually no chances of fighting back. We will now take you to the heart of Ebola itself. This is 60 Minutes. With symptoms that indicate the flu, the Ebola virus brings a shocking surprise to the victim when it destroys organs and cells, allowing blood to gush out of the eyes, ears, and nose. Symptoms appear 8 to 10 days after exposure and include fever, intense weakness, muscle pain, headache, and sore throat. Vomiting and extreme diarrhea follow, along with decreased functioning of the kidneys. Statistics show that 90% of those who are affected do not survive for long. By August 2014, a total of 1,000 deaths have been recorded. Here is Maria Corona with Dr. Gosling, who has participated in the research behind Ebola.
What is the cause of Ebola virus?
The Ebola virus disease, EVD, are caused of 5 viruses. There is a Bundibugyo virus, the BDBV. It causes severe disease in humans and the Ebola hemorrhagic fever. The Sudan virus, SUDV, same thing, it causes stuff. And Thai forest virus, there's another one. And there's one that's simply called the Ebola virus. And it's the most dangerous of the 4 known viruses that spreads within the humans. And there's one called the Western virus, which is just evolves through monkeys. And the hot zone, they talked about it.
Wow.
So, how does it spread?
Well, okay, it only needs one person for the disease to do its magic. Ebola mainly travels through direct contact with blood and bodily fluids, in the same way AIDS travels. General contact and an infected person can also make you come down with the Ebola.
The beginning of this virus has been written in a dramatic scientific book called The Hot Zone, and we sit down with Richard Preston to talk about this. What is this book about?
This book initially starts with patient 0, a man named Charles Monet, who catches an unknown virus that kills hundreds of animals and thousands more of humans, to which we find out is a virus called the Ebola virus, which is a deadly strain. As we're walking around this institute, it has an infection rate of 9 out of 10 people and an equally high mortality rate.
How is the 1980s outbreak similar to today's outbreak?
We are still baffled from the 80s outbreak as we are now, but now the only thing that's different is that we have a more general concept of the virus, and we have a higher national alert of it, because Obama is sending medical personnel to West Africa to work on the cure.
That was Richard Preston, author of The Hot Zone. Back to you, Puja Devi.
Ebola continues to roam free today. Scientists are working non-stop to find a cure. This has been 60 Minutes with Puja.